I think it's recording. So all my claps were pointless. Ooh, back end went. So yeah, clapping was pointless because obviously my GoPro wasn't running. So this will be really much a pain in the ass to hook it up in post. Oh Lord, I don't ever have shit to talk about. It cracks me up that if this is working, then I'm clearly talking louder when I'm on my bike. And I didn't realize I did that. But now that I'm paying attention to it, I'm talking loud. Ooh, hey, look at that cool dude. Anyway, now that I'm paying attention, I'm actually hurting my ears. Hurting my own damn ears when I talk. I know it's a stop sign. Ooh. But there literally is no exit on that road. There's no cross traffic coming the other way. Last time I was on this, I was bitching about my damn mirrors. I'm still not happy with this one. But I think I got some ideas to try to fix it. I think I gotta fix that stem. Change the stem's angle. God, I love riding this time of night when you get your shadow. It's like driving past a big store with big windows. If you don't look over at the window, I don't know what you are, but the shadow, same thing. I look over at the shadow all the time. I love it. It makes me feel cool. Ooh, temperature dropping, can feel that. It's not as cold as it was the last time I did this. It's like 57 degrees out here now, which is like perfect. I love that temperature for riding. I just got through watching her Two Wheels video with Blockhead and Bagger Bro. And just like her, I didn't do it with my helmet. Hold on. Uh-oh. Come on, helmet. It is not clicking. Ow, that's my skin. Ugh. Come on, clip. There it goes. Ooh, now I'm chuggy. There we go. I haven't done that in a long time. Usually pretty good about that. Anyway, I was watching her Two Wheels video, her latest one that has Blockhead and Bagger Bro up from Florida. And ooh, it was so funny because it was like 51 degrees when they left and they had to ride 40 miles from her Two Wheels house to the dealership. Man, those boys were cold. It cracked me up. I mean, we've all ridden in the cold. We've all had our fingers just dead from the cold. That's part of why I have these, because they actually do help at highway speeds. I gotta slow down. Anyway, they actually do help at highway speeds. At slower speeds, they don't. But at highway, they will actually help, because I tend to just wear these simple leather gloves. And I'll tell you right now, these do not help for the cold. Oh, I gotta put these mirrors back up here. I don't like them down. But it's just as funny to watch two boys out of Florida ride around in 51-degree temperatures for 50 miles complaining about the cold. Because where I live, that is prime riding weather. Shit, as long as there ain't snow running into the road from melt-offs on the side of the road, I ride. So I don't ride. Some people where I live are even crazier. They ride in even worse conditions than that. My rule of thumb is as long as the snow. Random lady waving, that was nice of her. She probably just wanted some. Anyway, if this goes up online, that's getting edited out. Anyway, I cracked myself up so much I lost my train. Oh, my rule of thumb when I ride: I will not go if there's any snow piled up in the roads that I see anywhere. So I don't mind if it's piled up on the sides, but if I still see like an inch or two, maybe three or maybe a foot of snow built up on the asphalt off in the corners, I'm not riding. That's my rule. That, and if I can still see the salt all over the road, I don't like riding then either. I will, because I love riding, but having the salt just is terrible. Hey Cardo, next track. Hey Cardo, next track. There it goes. I have to seduce the Cardo. I don't know why. Cardo won't do it, just if normal talking. You have to get all sultry with her. Yeah, and I'm on a Cardo, because guess what? Cardo was better long before. Cardo had the mesh technology long before Senna did. And I had a Senna previously, and I freaking hated it. I did not like it. This Cardo, I love the Cardo. And I won't be switching anytime soon, because my wife, who rides on the back with me on my other bike, she has a Cardo, and then most of the people I ride with, when I ride with people, they all run Cardos as well, so I won't be switching anytime soon. Ooh, stick. Somebody coming? Nope. You know, I almost want an AVD helmet just for the shade. You know, just to have that almost like a hat, just have that shade out here, just to block that sun. And again, nothing to talk about, so trying to link up the audio in this. I use DaVinci Resolve, and there should be a way in there for me to take the audio from my SD card on my audio recorder and just click it over into Resolve, and then have Resolve sync the two up based on what the GoPro's picking up. But I'm not that good. I'm not that good with the editing bullshit. Actually, I'm alright with editing. I don't know the program that well, and I need to get a better laptop that has a higher GPU RAM for the graphics card. I think the one I have right now is like 1 gig on the graphics card because it's integrated into the laptop. We'll go up this way. There's a car coming, none coming from the left. See all that white crap there is salt. See all that white over here on the side of the road, if you can see it. That's all salt from last week when it snowed. I don't think I've ever ridden this bike up this road before. But again, I have a feeling I'm not yelling anymore. I don't know if, yeah, I might not be. Maybe this is the voice I use. I hope not, because I don't like yelling. I don't like talking softer. Dooba-da-dooba-dooba-da-boo! I gotta stop. If I do plan on uploading this, I gotta stop riding to places like this. I know a lot of people don't like it. You might like it when I turn in a second, when I look out over that view. But generally people don't like the desolate rides like this. I like them, especially this time of night when I got my shadow to look at. It's like I have a little riding buddy. And it's me, and I love me. I'm just kidding, I don't love me. I stand me, that's about it. Oh, temperature dropping up here. I know you can't tell, but from where I live to up to where I'm at right now, I just climbed up about 1,500 feet. Went from about 5,000 feet to, well, maybe not 1,500. Now that I think about it, that's kind of ridiculous. I probably climbed about 9. Went from about 5,500 to about 6,400, something like that. I live in a very mountainous region. Well, yeah, look, it's a mountainous region. Look at all that flat desert mountains. Anybody coming? Not that I can see. Terrible U-turn. Terrible, terrible, terrible U-turn. Oh, in the cold weather, all the inversion starts. I cannot see. Just put on my cruise control, shadow my visor, and go. Yeah, cruise control is something I absolutely love. Will never buy another bike without it. Never buy another bike without cruise control, I'll tell you what. If you're wondering, my house is like right there. What are you doing, car? You're moving. Another one on the side. I mean, I can technically see, but man, my eyes hurt. My eyes hurt. I don't, like a couple nights ago, I had a fun experience, and I don't think I blinked for like 6 hours. Just stayed outside staring up at the sky all night, watching the stars, because they were really, really impressive. Like more than a normal night, if you get my drift. So, I had a fun night. But yeah, my eyes have been hurting ever since, because like I said, I don't think I fucking blinked all night. I need new handlebars. I can feel these bars flex when I go down the road. I didn't feel it when I first bought the bike. Over the last, I don't know, month or so, I really can feel it. Like if I just sit and do that, I can feel it flex. And I don't know if it's the bars or the shitty bushings or if maybe, you know, the bushings, maybe everything's coming loose, because when I bought the bike I had them put cruise control on, so they had to undo all this to internally wire the cruise control, because you have to replace that module. So maybe all the bolts are coming loose, I don't know. I don't think they got it on totally square, because when I go down the road I kind of feel like my hands are shifted. And when I let go of the bars, the bike goes to the left almost every time. So something ain't square here, which kind of pisses me, well, in my theory, something ain't square there. Kind of pisses me off since this is a 2020 that I bought with 2 miles on it. love these new Milwaukee 8s. Absolutely love them. I know it's a Harley. It doesn't have all the greatest power in the world or anything like that. But you know what? I don't care. Pull up on me on your 600cc or your liter bike and take off from me. I really don't give a shit. I do not give a flying fuck. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, someone's barbecuing.